lesson for today is about parabola. We are going to analyze parabola based on its category. Halimbawa, yung parabola opens upward or opens downward. Ano yung gagawin nating formula? Or kung yung parabola opens to the right and opens to the left, anong formula yung gagamitin natin? Meron tayong dalawang sets of formula na gagamitin depende sa behavior ng parabola. The first category or type ng equation in standard form is x minus h squared is equals to 4c times the quantity y minus k. So ganito lang yan. So pagka ganito yung formula, ganito yung equation of a parabola in standard form, meaning naka-square yung x. Pagka ganito, it's either the parabola opens upward or opens downward. So ano yung kukonsider natin? I-consider natin yung vertex, being the vertex has its coordinates of hk. And then yung C, ito yung mina-minus natin. Focus minus vertex. So, malalaman natin kung ano yung value ng C, whether it is negative or positive, depende sa magiging output natin ng subtraction. Later on, i-check natin sa example kung paano natin makukuha yung C, whether it is negative or positive. Paano mo malalaman yung behavior ng graph is upward or downward? It depends on the value of C. Kung value ng C is greater than 0, and then the parabola opens upward. If C is greater than 0, so ganito lang yung magiging behavior niya. Kung C is equals to 1, 2, positive 3, positive 1/2, positive 0.5, positive 0.3, basta greater than 0, the parabola opens outward. How about if C is less than 0? The parabola opens downward. If C is less than 0, for example, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, the behavior of the graph is like this, opens downward. Another set of equation of parabola in standard form is when the parabola opens to the left and opens to the right. Ano ba yung gagamitin natin? We have here y minus k squared is equals to 4c times x minus h. So ito naman yung gagamitin natin. Tingnan nyo yung difference ng dalawa. Pagka yung x yung naka-square, it's either opens upward or downward. Pagka y yung naka-square, it's either opens to the right or opens to the left. Ano yung kukonsider natin? Again, if c is greater than 0, then the parabola opens to the right. If C is less than 0, it opens to the left. So, ito ang check natin whether kung yung parabola, ang behavior niya ay pataas, pababa, pakaliwa, pakanan, kung alin yung gagamitin natin dito sa dalawa na tong equation o parabola in standard form. Now, I'm going to give an example para mas maintindihan natin about these two types of equation or parabola in standard form. We have three examples. Number one, directrix is y is equals to 1.5, focus is 0, negative 1.5. The second one is directrix y is equals to negative 4. The focus is at 2, 2. And the third one, vertex is at negative 1, negative 4 with focus 3 units left of vertex. So let's try number 1. Umpisa natin number 1. So ilagay muna natin sa partition plane. Okay, here's 0. At kunin natin yung y directrix. Y is equals to 1.5. So yung y is 1.5. This is 1. This is 2. 1.5. Ito siya. 1.5. Pag sinabing y is equals to 1.5, y siya, ibig sabihin, the graph is a horizontal one. Pagka x naman yung i-identify, vertical yung graph. Now we have our focus at 0, negative 1.5. 0, ito yung 0, and then negative 1.5. Nandito yung negative 1.5. 1, 2, 1, 2, negative 1.5. Somewhere here. Then 0. So, ito yung coordinate niya. Ito yung natawag nating focus. The focus is at 0, negative 1.5. Kung ito yung focus, ito yung directrix. Between the directrix and the focus is the vertex. So, somewhere here, nandito yung vertex. Gitna ng 3, kasi 1.5 ito, 1.5 yun. Yung gitna nun, yung vertex is at 0, 0. So, di ba? Yung this is positive 1.5 and this is negative 1.5. Pinag-usapan natin dito yung y-axis. Kasi kung hahanapin mo yung naka-behavior ng graph niya, i-consider mo yung axis of symmetry. In this case, lumalabas yung y-axis is the axis of symmetry. So, ito na yung vertex. Ito yung focus. The behavior of the graph is going downward. Di ba sabi ko kanina, paano hanapan yung C? Yung C is equals to F minus V. Dahil ko consider natin yung vertical, nasaan yung axis of symmetry, ano yung y value ng F? The y value of F is equals to negative 1.5 minus, ano yung susunod? Yung V is equals to 0. 0. Negative 1.5 minus 0 is negative 1.5. So you have a value of C is equals to negative 1.5. So the behavior is going downward. Ano yung gagamitin nating standard form equation ng parabola? So, siyempre, it's either going up or down. Ito yung gagamitin natin, di ba? X. Meron na tayong H0. Ito, di ba yung vertex is at HK. So, X minus 0 square is equals to 4. We have C is equals to negative 1.5. Y. 0 yung K. Simplify. This one is X minus 0 is X square. And then this one is 4 times 1.5, that is 1.5 times 2 is 3, that is 6. That is negative. And then distribute mo to, dy. And then distribute mo dito, this will become 0. Kaya ang magiging equation of our parabola with this given directrix is y is equals to 1.5 and f focus is at 0, -15 is x squared is equals to -6y. Now, the second one, number 2 given is directrix y is equals to -4, focus is at 2, 2. So, i-graph uli natin. Directrix is y is equals to -4. -1, 2. Y is equals to -4, meaning, dahil y na naman siya, ibig sabihin, horizontal yung directrix natin. Another given is f is equals to 2, 2. Ganun ulit. Kung ano yung nasa gitna niya, yun yung vertex niya. Yung nasa gitna ng, dahil ito yung axis of symmetry natin, ibig sabihin yan, magbibilang tayo dito sa y values. So, i-check natin. If this is 4 and this is 2, 2 plus 4 is equals to 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So, yung gitna ng focus at saka ng directrix is equals to 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So, ang vertex natin will be at 2, -1. So, meron na tayong hk. This is h and this is k. So, ito yung graph ng parabola. This opens upward. So, ano yung value ng c? Yung value ng c, di ba yung distance natin dito is equals to c. Yung c is equals to f minus b. Wherein yung f is equals to, considering natin yung f is equals to 2. And then, yung minus -1. So, yung y yung kinukuha natin. Di ba? F minus b. Yung y tayo, sa y natin kukuha dahil yung axis of symmetry is y. So, 2 minus -1 will become 3. So, meron tayong c, which is equals to 3. Meron tayong hk. And then, substitute na natin yung sa standard equation form. We have meron tayong h. Ano yung h natin? This is 2. Ano yung c is equals to 3. Ano yung k is equals to -1. Pag -1 dito, ang mangyayari dito, magiging positive dito sa equation. So, katulad din sa ibang katulad din sa circle. Pag negative dito, positive dito. So, simplify natin. This is x minus 2 squared is Paul method, x squared -2x, -2x, positive 4, x squared minus 4x plus 4. So, ito is x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equals 4 times 3 is 12 times y is equals to 12y. And then 4 times 3 is 12 times 1 is equals to plus 12. So, ito na yung pwede pa natin pagsamahin ah, yung 12 saka yung 4. So, ilipat natin lahat dito para nasa general form siya. X squared minus 4x minus 12y. And then pagka transpose natin ito, magiging negative 12, positive 4. So this is negative 8 is equals to 0. So, ito yung equation ng parabola. Di ba? Kung hahanapin naman natin additional information, kung hahanapin yung latus rectum, is equals to 4c. Latus rectum. Since c is equals to 3, well, kung ma-check natin yung 12, if you're going to multiply this, ito yung latus rectum. Yung 12 natin. Okay? Next. For number 3 example, we have vertex at -1, -4, focus, 3 units left of vertex. So, i-graph muna natin kung paano makikita yung mga parts natin na yan. We have -1, -4. -1 is right in the left of the origin, -1, and then -4 sa baba, -1, -2. So, pag kinonect natin yung -1, -4, dito siya pupunta. So, yun yung pinaka-vertex natin. So, yung vertex is at -1, -4. Ano ba yung given? The given is the focus, 3 units left of vertex. 3 units left of vertex. So, ito yung vertex, nasa left daw niya is, ito siya, 1, 2, 3. So, mag-start tayo ng -2, -3, -4. Yun. Nandito yung focus at -4, -4. So, kung ito yung vertex, ang directrix, kung titingnan yung distance from focus to vertex is 3 units. So, 1, 2, 3. Ito yung directrix, which is equals to, y is equals to x is equals to 2. Dahil x siya, yung axis of symmetry natin is horizontal 1. Ito siya yung axis of symmetry. Ito yung pinaka-vertex natin. Ito yung focus, nakatalikod sa directrix. The behavior of the graph is going to the left. Check nga natin kung ano yung value ng c. C is equals to f minus b. Wherein f is equals to f, dahil x yung natin, pinag-uusapan yung axis of symmetry, yung -4 yung kukunin natin na isa. Hindi yung, pero pareho lang, pero -4 sa x value. Minus, ito naman, -1. So, this is equals to my -4, negative, magiging +1, that's equals to -3. So, -3 opens to the left. So, pag opens to the left, ang gagamitin nating formula is x minus h square is equals to, I'm sorry, that is y minus k squared is equals to 4c times x minus h. So ito gagamitin nating formula in standard form. Sa-substitute natin, alam natin that the vertex is its hk. Ito yan, ito yung h, ito yung k, so vertex. We have here -1, -4. Y, magiging plus yan kung negative dito. Ang y dito, value is Y coordinate is negative 4 plus 4 square is equals to 4. Our C is negative 3 and x minus, dahil negative 1 ito, magiging positive 1 dito sa equation. And then let's simplify. Y plus 4 times y plus 4, Paul method, y square, 4y, another 4y plus 4y, and then 4 times 4 is equals to 16, and then we add y square plus 8y plus 16. So we have here y square plus 8y plus 16 is equals to 4 times 3 is negative 12 times x plus 1. Simplify again, y square plus 8y plus 16 is equals to negative 12 times x is negative 12x. Negative 12 times positive 1 is negative 12. And then, pwede natin i-simplify pa to. Transpose natin lahat sa kabilang side. You have y square plus, unahin natin yung x, plus 12x plus 8y. And then, negative 12 magiging positive 12. 12 plus 16 is positive 28. Is equals to 0. So here's the equation of your parabola for number 3 example. Ngayon, babaguhin naman natin yung given. Iibahin na natin. Dati, given yung mga points, yung coordinates, yung lines. Pero ngayon, baliktarin na natin yung solution. Hanapin na natin yung mga parts, coordinates ng isang parabola with given equation. Number 1 example, we have 2x squared is equals to negative 16,1. Y. And number 2, y squared plus 4x minus 6y is equals to negative 1. And number 3 example, 2y squared minus 6x minus 4y is equals to 1. So hanapin natin yung vertex, yung focus, yung value ng C. So let's start. We have here number 1 example. So in this example, makikita niyo agad, meron siyang numerical coefficients, which is hindi naman dapat meron numerical coefficient. Kailangan natin tanggalin yung numerical coefficient. Para matanggal yan, kailangan natin i-divide ang lahat ng expression, lahat ng term into 2. So, 2 divided by 2, what will happen? We have left x squared is equals to negative 8, 1. So, yan na. So, ang ganitong klaseng example, ang ganitong klaseng equation, alam natin na if x squared, that is x minus 0 squared. Dahil naka-0 yung x is equals to, pag sinabi natin 8y, this is also the same as negative 8 times y minus 0. Imagine kung i-distribute nito, negative 8 times y is equals to negative 8y. And then negative 8 times 0 is equals to 0. So, ibig sabihin na yung vertex natin, yung vertex is at, di ba, ito yung h, ito yung k, dun sa standard form natin. So, therefore, yung b is at 0, 0. Ano yung c? C, dahil sabi natin, ito mismo yung latus rectum. So, latus rectum is equals to 8. And latus rectum is equals to 4c. Is equals to 8. To find c, cross multiply, divided by 4, divided by 4, or divide all term into 4, cancel 4, cancel 4c is equals to 2. We have the value of c is equals to 2. Kaya lang, this is negative because we have a negative 8 dito. So we have negative 8. So negative 2 yung value ng C. If the C value is negative, meaning if this is, it's either the behavior of this parabola, it's either going up or down. Since this is less than 0, we have here a parabola opens downward. So ganito lang yan. 0, 0 yung vertex. Dahil C going downward, alam natin na pababa yung parabola. At nandito yung focus doon sa ibaba. At nasa taas yung directrix. Yung focus is 2 units away from the vertex. 1, 2. This is negative 2. So yung vertex, yung focus is at 0, negative 2. And you have here 1, 2. Directrix is y is equals to 2. So, meron pa ng directrix, meron pa ng vertex, meron pa ng focus, meron pa ng C. Next is number 2. So, number 2 problem, we have y squared plus 4x minus 6y is equals to negative 1. I-arrange natin itong equation natin. Dahil yung naka-square is y, lagay natin yung y doon sa kaliwa at yung x doon sa bandang kanan. So, rearrange natin later on. I-rewrite ko lang y squared plus 4x minus 6y is equals to negative 1. So, i-rewrite na natin. Y squared minus 6y is equals to negative 4x minus 1. Di ba nag-completing the square tayo dun dati sa circle? Dito mag-completing the square din tayo. Hanapin natin yung value nito. So, ano yung dadagdag natin dito para maging perfect square din to? Na idadagdag natin doon para maging balance. Y squared minus 6y. Diba din-divide natin yan, yung 6 divided by 2, and then we square it. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 squares equals to 9. So we add 9 here. Copyhin ko. Nagdagdag tayo ng 9 dito. To balance the equation, yung dadagdag din tayo dito ng 9 sa kabila. Simplify natin yung right. And then ito, i-factor na natin. Divide in square root natin to. Square root of y squared is equals to y. Square root of 9 is equals to 3. Kung ano yung sign doon is yun ang gagamitin. The second term, that is square, is equals to, simplify this one, you have negative 4x. Negative 1, positive 9, we have positive 8 yung matitira. Right? And then factor. Ang factor nito is negative 4 para mawala yung kasama ni x. And then negative 4 x. So here dapat ito para maging factorable. This will become para maging positive itong gitna na yan. This will become negative 2. Kasi 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. So to check kung multiply mo to, negative 4 times x, negative 4x, negative 4 times negative 2 is equals to positive 8. So tama tayo dito. Meaning, we have our vertex at ito yung x, 2, negative doon, positive sa coordinates, 3. So i-graph natin, i-plot natin kung nasaan yan. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So ito yung vertex natin. Vertex is at 2, 3. Ano yung value ng C? Our C is equals to, since negative 4 is our latus rectum, di ba? Latus rectum is equals to negative 4. And so, 4c is equals to, lahat sa straight is equals to 4c is equals to negative 4 divided by 4 divided by 4. Yung cancel, matitira is c is equals to 1. Is it coming upward or downward? Downward kasi this one is negative. So negative 1. C is equals to negative 1. Meaning, our behavior of graph is going to the left. Kasi y yung naka-square. Diba? So kung going to the left yan, ito yung behavior ng graph natin. Nasa ngayon yung focus natin. Kung hinahanap yung focus, this is 1 unit away from the vertex. This is 2. Ito yung focus natin. Focus is at 1, 3. And then the directrix is, sa kabila naman yung directrix. Directrix is, kung 2 ito 3, x is equals to 3. So ito yung number 2. Tama ba? Okay. Ay, hindi. Number 2 pala ito. Meron pa tayo number 3, nabura ko lang. Ibabalik ko lang lang. Number 3 example. Number 3 example, we have 2y squared minus 6x minus 4y is equals to 1. Hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng numerical coefficient yung naka-second degree. Kailangan matanggal natin yan. Paano tatanggalin natin yan? Kailangan divide natin to equation into 2. So 2y squared divided by 2 is equals to y squared. Negative 6x divided by 2 is negative 3x. Negative 4y divided by 2 is equals to negative 2y. 1 divided by 2 is equals to 1/2. And then pwede na natin i-arrange yung last na squared sa kaliwa and the rest na variables na sa kabilang kanan. So y squared minus 2y is equals to, babaguhin natin na yung sign ng 3x kasi tatranspose natin dun sa kabilang side ng equation, magiging 3x. And then gagawin na natin perfect square itong nasa left side ng equation. Ang ginagawa natin ito is that dinidivide natin yung 2 sa 2 and then we're going to square it. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1 and then 1 squared is equals to 1. Magdagdag tayo rito ng 1, magdagdag tayo sa kabila ng 1 in order to balance the equation. And then simplify, ito kunin natin yung factor nito. Since this is a perfect square, divine square root natin yan. And then negative yung second term, yung sign, square it, 3x, 1/2 plus 1, 1/2 plus 1 same as 2 over 2 yung 1. As ito divide by, para magkamukha yung denominator. So, 2, 1 plus 2 is 3 halves. And then, hindi pwedeng may kasama tong x natin na to. Kailangan natin i-factor ng 3 yan para mawala yung numerical coefficient ng x. We have to factor it by 3. I-divide natin to sa 3, naging 1x. I-divide din natin to sa 3. Pag i-divide natin sa 3, 3 halves divided by 3. Siyempre, kukunin natin yung reciprocal nito and then we're going to multiply. Ganun lang yung fraction. 3 halves multiply by 1/3. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 2, 1/2. Plus 1/2. So, meron tayong value ng hk. Ito ngayon yung h natin. Ito yung magiging k. So, your vertex is hk. Positive dito, negative 1/2 yan. Negative 1, negative dito, magiging 1. Yan. Tapos, Yung C is equals to, ano yung C? If we are going to look at this 3, this is the lattice rectum or this is 4C. 4C is equals to 3. Kaya C is equals to cross multiply 3 over 4. So meron na tayong value ng C is equals to 3/4. Pwede na natin i-graph. Meron tayong vertex is at negative 1 half 1. Negative 1 half, this is 1. Ito yung negative 1 half. Tapos 1 yung 5. So this is your vertex. Vertex is negative 1 half 1. Tapos dahil this one is positive, you see, it is 3/4 and the parabola opens to the right kasi nga y yung naka-square. Di ba pagka x yung naka-square, up and down. Pagka y yung naka-square, square, it's either left or right. Dahil positive ito, going to the right tayo. So, kung ito yung vertex, nandito yung focus. Ang focus is 3/4 away from here. So this is 1 half. Meron pang natitirang 1/4. So yung focus mo, ay ito. Focus is at 1/4 and 1. 1 ito. Ito yung focus, ito yung vertex. Papunta ron sa kanan yung behavior ng graph. Tapos yung directrix, this is 1 half. Somewhere here is 1 and 1/4, negative 1 and 1/4. So, 1 half. So, ito yung directrix niya. Directrix is x is equals to negative 1 and 1/4. Kasi nga 1 half eh. Diba? X displacement is 1 half. So 1 half na natitira, di magiging 1 na. So 1 half plus 1/4, magiging 3/4. Kasi 1 half plus 1/4, this is equals to, kung daanin natin yan, this is multiplied by 2, rationalize, that is equals to 2 over 4 plus 1/4 equals to 4, 3, 4. So, ito na yung graph ng parabola.